Okay, welcome to the final video about market forms. In this video, I will compare the different market forms with each other. So I will do this by using several characteristics. One thing being the supply, the next one product and information, and then we will look at the entry. Is it easy or difficult to enter the market? First thing first, I will discuss supply. So for full competition, we know there is a lot of there are a lot of companies that are supplying the product and a lot of customers as well. The monopoly was characterized by only one supplier. The monopolistic competition, we have once again a lot of them, and the oligopoly only had a few suppliers. So here we can see that full competition and monopolistic competition, they share the same characteristic over here. Next up is the product. For the full competition, it was homogeneous because they were offering a product that looks the same or that is basically the same thing. So every company was a price taker and they could only influence their own production and not the price. The monopoly, they offer a very unique product and that's why they are the only one in the market selling this certain product. So we can actually talk about a heterogeneous product. If you want product X, you can only buy it from the company that is a monopoly. Monopolistic competition deals with heterogeneous products. They might sometimes look alike, but there's always something that's quite different. So let's say a burger from McDonald's and a burger from Burger King. They're still both burgers, but we all know that some people prefer McDonald's over the other, and the other way around too. So there is a difference. Might be because of marketing, might be because of the taste of the burgers or the price even. And the oligopoly is able to deal with both. So we could have a electric company or a company that generates electricity, and well, electricity is always the same. It's just power, you know. It could come from like different sources, from like solar panels or other sources as well. But generally speaking, electricity and gas, for example, are homogeneous products. On the other hand, we could also have a heterogeneous product for an oligopoly. Let's say Netflix and Disney Plus. They are both streaming services, but they offer a different amount of movies and series, and Disney is more family friendly, while Netflix also allows more, like, let's say 16 plus movies with a lot of violence in it. So that's different. Information. Full competition is fully transparent, which means that the customers know everything that there is to know, which will allow them to always buy the price or at the price that serves them the best. The monopoly is more, well, it's not really important over here, the transparency of the market, because there is only one product available from this kind, you know. So whether or not the consumer knows something, you will still go and buy the stuff at the monopoly. So it's not really applicable over here. That's why I left this little this line over here. So you don't really have to answer something over there. For the monopolistic competition, we saw that the market is not transparent. Remember in video number 3 about market forms, we saw that someone was hesitating between some cleaning products. Well, we could also talk about pants, like jeans from Hollister or jeans from H&M. Why are the jeans from Hollister so pricey or more expensive than H&M? Are they of better quality? Or is it just the brand that we are paying for? Because Hollister is so well known. The consumer does not know the fair value of these products. Oligopoly, same thing, not transparent. Okay, the consumer does not know anything, everything. Finally, we have the entry. Is it easy or difficult to enter the market? Full competition, yes, very easy. Monopoly, well, there is only one. You cannot defeat a monopoly just like that. So also here you could say almost impossible, or once again, just, well, there is only one. People do not try even to enter the market. So for monopolistic competition, it's also easy. And oligopoly, close to impossible, but there is a slight chance. The chances of entering the market over here are bigger than entering the market where a monopoly is dominating. Okay, so that's why I actually have this blank space for the monopoly, and that's it. I try to keep this video as short as possible. Um, do not go to the exam with only this slide in your head. You need to know more about them. Because every clip I made about these market forms, I go into detail about these concepts, about these characteristics, why and how. Because on your exam, you may expect questions that are more, um, well, not just like this. It's more difficult, I think. I will ask for examples. I will ask for your opinion on some subjects. So do not only study this. This only serves as a quick comparison between these four market forms, but you have to know them, obviously. Okay? If you have any questions left, you can always contact me through mail, and I will see you in the next video.